one
so धोबी
commoner
वाला जो
says,
बात आता है. Now, so this whole episode is in Uttarakhand. Okay, so there is one school of thought which says that Uttarakhand is not a part of Valmiki Ramayana. So whatever you see in Uttarakhand, just discard it. It is not a part of Valmiki Ramayana at all, including Sitaji's Parityag and all that. That is one view. And a lot of people believe that, and that's okay. It is for people to decide. It's Shraddha ki baat hai. But there's another school and the traditional schools which have actually written commentaries on the Uttarakhand as well. So it is not so easy to just say hua hi nahi and give it up. However, my approach to this, because even in my book, Ramayana Unraveled, I actually talk of this episode in epilogue. So आपको मानना है, आपको बिलीव करना है करिए, नहीं करना है नहीं करिए, but there is a way to understand this episode. It is not as if a commoner has said. ऐसा नहीं हुआ है वो. उसमें क्या हुआ है कि Sri Ram is sitting in his sabha and like spies होते हैं ना, you get the spies, you get information from them about what's going on in your country and all that. Anyway, so spy, by the way, the entire the war strategy and everything, your spy network is one of the most important, and this comes again and again and again in both Mahabharata and Ramayana. But anyway, so यहाँ पे, so he's asking them that
in fact, the intel agencies talk a lot about espionage and counter-espionage as per the, I won't say to mythologies, to epics, to itihas, whatever you want to call it, they refer to it quite a lot.
This is the Indic Niti Shastra. You see that also in Arthashastra. The same theme comes again and again, that how important it is for a Raja to have a very, very strong spy network. In fact, Arthashastra mein Kautilya, he says, we call Indra Sahasraksha. Indra is called the one with 1,000 eyes. He's like, what do these 1,000 eyes mean? Is it that Indra has 1,000 eyes? No. The 1,000 eyes is basically saying that was his spy network. And that is how a Raja should be if he wants to become Indra. So
and
that is the parallel given.
The superpowers talk about 5 eyes, the 5 countries.
Yes.
We went long back and we talked about 1,000
Absolutely.
eyes. Okay.
So anyways, coming back to this, so he has these people who are telling him कि क्या चल रहा है अयोध्या में. And he wants to know what do people think of him, Sita ji, reputation क्या है वगैरह वगैरह. So feedback. Basically समाज में reputation क्या है, क्या feedback है लोगों का.
Social media नहीं होता था ना उनका.
यही उनका option होता था. जो पहले आप लोग सब तो वही करते थे ना, मीडिया का काम ही ये होता था. So one guy says, oh, people are happy. Abhi bhi they don't, they keep talking about your victory against Ravan and all that they have heard. They keep talking about it. और बोलते बोलते ना, he एकदम becomes चुप. So Sri Ram is like, what happened? You tell me. And he's like, Maharaj, there is just one thing. People keep questioning Sita ji's character. What they say is that, how can Sri Ram even touch her? She lived in Ravan's Kridagraha for such a long time. How has he even accepted her? Now, because the Raja has accepted her, people violate rules in our homes. How will we uphold standards of morality and all that? So that is the kind of apavad going on. It's not one commoner who has said. This is like the wildfire gossip going around in Ayodhya. Okay, everybody's asking. Abhi jaise na, you have shown everything and still yahi ho raha hai. So when Sri Ram hears this, he's shocked. But he doesn't just trust this one. He tries to ask the other spies as well. And they all confirm the same. Ki Ayodhya bhar mein, this is what people are talking, that Sri Ram's action is actually impacting the social morality. Now what should he do? So he sends them back and he is in tears. He's red-eyed, he's in tears. And he calls Lakshman. And he says, Lakshman, you're seeing this? I knew this would happen. I had already foreseen this would happen. That is why, that whole Agni Pariksha, I did not stop Sita. Because I knew people will question. But now I'm here. People are questioning. Now what do? Now I have decided to
send her away.
Now, of course, people say, ki, how is it justice? She was not at fault. Right? She was not at fault. How is it justice? The problem there is that Sita ji is not an ordinary citizen. Sita ji is the part of the administration. Raja or Rani, dono hote hain, right? She is the part of the judiciary, if I may, talking of it in today's terms. Government hai wo. Now, aaj, if say, we don't trust the Prime Minister's family or somebody that he has with him, what do we expect them to do? Do we wait कि अरे judiciary clear करता है कि नहीं ये वो? What do we say कि नहीं, you step down? Even if you want a fair review, you have to step down, right? This is what we expect. They are not common citizens. They are the Raja. And at that time, The Raja's word was final. Nyay was Raja. So if you want that your Janta, your people should trust you
Above
wholeheartedly,
retribution, huh.
you have to be
above, sorry.
You have to keep this clean
Spotless.
reputation.
वो कहते हैं ना, Caesar's wife should be above suspicion.
It's exactly that, right? So he sends her away. Now what has he shown to the Praja? That yeah, you don't like your Rani? Fine, I will give it up because you don't like her. But why does he not marry again?
He
He
sends
could
the
have-
children also, you know. No,
But
she's pregnant.
She's pregnant.
She's
at
pregnant,
that time.
yeah.
Now the other thing is, do you want your children to be born in a place where everybody is questioning their parentage? Would she rather live in Lanka, in Ayodhya, where everybody is talking about it? And if she gets to know about it, what will be the asar on her? She gets to know anyways. But being surrounded by people who you know are questioning you all the time, right? So she would rather go away. Now the thing is, why did Sri Ram not give up and go? He could have done that, right? People
She
say
went
that.
with him when it was needed.
Correct.
To Vanvas.
So he could have left and gone.
Huh.
But then what would that mean? What is he? Would that have shown that Sita ji is not wrong? What would have people said? His father also chose his wife over us. We all wanted Sri Ram to be the Raja. We had told we want Sri Ram to be the Raja. He had promised that Sri Ram will be the Raja. But when wife said nothing doing, he chose the wife and gave up on us. The son is doing the same thing. We waited for him for 14 years so that he comes back, and we love him and we trust him. But see, when it came to choosing us over anybody else, he's choosing his family, he's choosing his wife, doesn't care for us, because Sita ji is not an ordinary citizen, which we keep forgetting. Acha, so he
But
decides.
in all this, Sita has no agency of her own.
So what happens is, of course, she doesn't see that. That's what comes with that status and position and everything, right? So when Lakshman ji goes to drop her and tells her that this is what Sri Ram has done, she doesn't curse Sri Ram. She doesn't complain. She said, if this is what people are thinking, then it is my responsibility to ensure that they don't talk about it like that. So I am not worried. I am not unhappy that he's asked me to go. This is what she actually says. She understands what her Raj Dharma is. She also has a Raj Dharma, right? She also has a responsibility and accountability to the Praja. She is the Rani, not any other person. However, what I was coming to is that Sri Ram sent her away. Sri Ram chose his Janta, his Raj Dharma, over his Patni. But why did he not marry again? We take this very lightly. We think कि उन्होंने तो एक पत्नी का व्रत लिया था. नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है वाल्मीकि रामायण में. There is no one patni vrat. His father had multiple wives. The generations after that had multiple wives. Polygamy was a norm. Everybody did polygamy, especially Rajas, because it made strategic sense also. Why did he not marry? Whenever he did the yagnas also, he kept Sita ji's putla there. So what did he say? What message is he sending? He's saying, you don't trust the queen, I let her go. But there is nobody else who can take my wife's position because I trust my wife. So if there is anybody who can take my wife's position, it will only be Sita. I am not giving up on my wife. I am giving up on the Rani who you don't trust.
But even then, she never becomes Rani. Even when it is finally
Because
there,
that is
the
her
earth splits
call.
open and she goes down.
That is her call. And
What
that
her
shows
call?
that is her call. She could have come back, right? She could have said, ha, I'm taking Pratigya again. Oh, it's all good. I never thought about anybody else and I'm coming back. But would you want to come back to that place where people have questioned you? And yes, Sri Ram did what he did for the Praja. What about Sita ji's self-respect? Why should she come back? She played her role fully like a wife, like a queen and a mother.
Then she wants to go back to becoming her daughter in the end. Why does she go back?
Why would she come? Why would she come back to a place where her character is questioned again and again? She chose her self-respect. She had lived through every responsibility of hers, right? The children were also old enough. Now is the question of your self-respect. When it happened again,
So
she chose
a
her
Raja
self-respect.
can never really have a happy life at this stage. I mean, if you actually see, he has to sacrifice his family for the sake of the Praja and what the Praja thinks. Whether it is Yudhishthir,
Yeah.
right? Or whether it is, if you see both the itihas, if you see Yudhishthir or you see Ram, those love stories never culminate in happily ever after.
See, but that's the thing, now. What happens when the leaders choose family? We have examples in front of us. In India, there is a family which has always chosen family over everybody else. What happens to the country? And why is it that Narendra Modi stands apart in all that? Because he doesn't have a family. Right? So that biases go away. See, that is the thing about being a leader. You will always be faced with ethical dilemmas. And that is why we started with it. But these things are so relevant even today.
Do subscribe to the ANI Clips channel to get shorter versions of this podcast. Click here to watch the full episode.